Calendula is a pretty orange flower that is excellent for preventing and treating skin problems. Calendula can be made into a strong tea to wash wounds to prevent infection. Mix equal parts of fresh calendula flower and plantain leaves with a small amount of just boiled water to make an antibiotic drawing poultice. Don't add too much water. You want it to be thick. You may want to put it through your food processor or blender to get a nice consistency, or you can chop up the herbs finely and then mix them with the water. Once the mixture is cooled to a comfortable temperature, apply it to the wound and wrap it with plastic wrap to keep it moist. Every 12 hours, remove the poultice and wash the area before reapplying. If the area shows any sign of infection, such as excessive redness, especially if there are red streaks radiating from the wound, pus, excessive heat around the wound, or a foul odor coming from the wound, get to a doctor immediately. Also, while allergy to plantain is rare, calendula is a member of the daisy family. So if you are allergic to daisies, marigolds, sunflowers, ragweed, or other members of the Asteraceae family, you will want to do a test on a very small area of healthy skin to see if you react. You really don't want a rash on top of that wound. The plantain acts to draw the infection out of the wound, and the calendula works with your immune system to fight off any infection. Calendula can help your body fight infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and has some effect against fungi. In addition to using it in a wash or a poultice, it can be infused into an oil and made into a salve to be used on rashes or scrapes. While the wash or poultice can be used on burns, you should never use an occlusive preparation of any herb on a burn or a wound that is seeping. An occlusive preparation, such as infused oils or salves, prevents air from reaching the burn, which can lead to a serious infection. Plastic wrap should not be used on these types of wounds for the same reason. In case of a burn, apply a poultice and cover with a natural fiber cloth. Plantain grows rampantly all over the United States. It is considered a weed and is probably already growing in your yard. Harvest and dry the leaves after the plant has begun to flower. Calendula is easy to grow from seed, and even if you live in an HOA, you should be allowed to plant this pretty flower in your flower beds. You can also purchase calendula and plantain powder that is already processed and ready to use.